Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Lizabeth and I am living in the light. Join me today as I cook a 5-ingredient lean and green iceberg wedge salad. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lizabeth and I am living in the light. I am documenting my weight loss transformation using the Optavia 5-in-1 program. Part of the Optavia 5-in-1 program is to create each day a lean and green recipe using 5 to 7 ounces of a lean protein and 3 servings of lower carbohydrate vegetables. So today I am going to use 5 ingredients to create a wedge salad. The ingredients that I need are going to be iceberg lettuce. This particular recipe is calling for, in order to get all of my greens, this is 2 greens worth, so it is 5 ounces of iceberg lettuce. I have 2.63 ounces of diced tomatoes. I have 1 ounce, which is 2 slices of turkey bacon, and I've already diced this up. I'm gonna cook it here in just a minute. Then I am going to need 6.5 ounces of a 2% cottage cheese and 3 tablespoons of crumbled blue cheese, regular fat crumbled blue cheese. If you can find the lower fat version, which is 6 grams of fat or fewer per serving, then you can have 4 tablespoons. But I was unable to find a low fat or a reduced fat blue cheese, so I have regular blue cheese, and so I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of that to create my dressing. The first thing I'm going to do in a nonstick skillet is just cook my turkey bacon until it is crisp, and then I will be back to show you how to make the dressing and assemble the salad. I crisped up my turkey bacon on the stove. If you have a microwave, feel free to do it in the microwave. I don't have a microwave. So I just put it in a nonstick skillet, no oil, nothing, just threw it in there and just stirred it and kept an eye on it until it got nice and crispy. Pretty crisp, I think that'll work. The next step is to make my dressing, and it's super simple. It is the 6.5 or 6.4 ounces of 2% cottage cheese. It is 3/4 of an ounce or 3 tablespoons of crumbled, this is regular fat, blue cheese. Like I said, if you had non-fat, you could do non-fat, you could do 1 extra tablespoon. And then instead of putting it in my blender, I'm just going to use my immersion blender and blend this up until it's smooth. I'm not going to show you me doing that, but I do want to thin it out a little bit to make it a dressing quality. So I have a little bit of water standing at the ready to mix in. I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute. I'm ready to assemble my salad. What I'm going to do is just break this into 2 pieces. It'll just make it easier, look a little prettier on the plate. I'm going to drizzle it with the dressing, and I did have to add a tablespoon or 2 of water to thin it out. And all of this goes on. This is all for one. This is part of your protein, your lean portion, so make sure that you get all of the dressing. Most of the dressing. Then I'm going to put my tomatoes on top of that. This is the 2.4 ounces of tomatoes, diced tomatoes. And then my 1 ounce of turkey bacon. So the tomatoes and the lettuce are your 3 greens. The cottage cheese is 3/4 of a leanest, and the turkey bacon is 3/4 of a lean. And the blue cheese is the healthy fat that balances out your leanest protein. That is a complete lean and green, and you're good to go for the day. I hope that you'll try this recipe. Please let me know in the comments down below what you think. If you've got other recipes that you'd like me to try, I'd be more than happy to work some up. I will put the recipe in the description box down below. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and until next time, live in the light.